Hi folks, my name is Sean Van Diver. I'm the president and founder of Afghan Evac. I'm here in Washington this week trying to break through the noise of all of the executive orders that have been happening. There's two that have a big impact on Afghans. The first one is an executive order on the United States Refugee Admissions Program that fully stopped all refugee admissions and processing, which has an impact on folks like the partner forces that trained, fought, and bled alongside our U.S. military veterans like myself. It has an impact on lawyers and judges and prosecutors who put the Taliban away. The other executive order that has had an impact on Afghans is the order halting foreign aid, which has stopped flights coming out of Afghanistan, helping our allies, and it has stopped in its tracks resettlement services when folks arrive here to start their American dream. This is devastating, and we need you to make your voice heard. We need you to do three things. One, go to afghanevac.org/transition-letter and sign our letter. Number two, go to afghanevac.org/elected-officials and contact your elected officials. Send them that letter. Let them know how much you care about this. And number three, we need you to donate to Afghan Evac today so we can keep up the fight. afghanevac.org/donate. Thank you. Have a great day, and let's get this done.